Hi guys, and welcome to Need for Speed Locksmiths. We specialise in vehicle security and home security in Hertfordshire and the surrounding areas. Our vehicle security sector offers a comprehensive range of services. We specialise in van security, so that's fitting up-to-date vehicle locks that will stop thieves from trying to break in. We also programme car keys and all types of key repair.
Hello, I'm Ashley and I am the Vehicle Security Specialist here at Need for Speed Locksmiths. Once you're all booked in, it'll be me personally that will come out to fit your vehicle security, whether that be at home, work or at any of our shops, all for your convenience.
As part of our automotive locksmith services, we specialise in all vehicle key programming, whether this is for lost, stolen or you just want a basic spare car key. We are able to program up to 99% of cars up to date. Our trained locksmiths are also able to unlock any car if you are locked out and can't get back in. So of course, we would always advise that people get a spare car key before it's too late.
We offer all aspects of home security. This ranges from anything such as UPVC door locks, mortise door locks and wooden doors, and window locks. And of course, not forgetting our fully equipped key cutting shops.
Hi, I'm Carissa. I'm based in the shop in Nebworth. I'm responsible for the business inquiries and shop administration. I'll be here in store, so I'll be able to assist you in any way I can.
For further information, you can of course go straight to our website at www.needforspeedlocksmiths.co.uk, or alternatively, we're on all the socials on Facebook and Instagram where you can find all our most up-to-date works of what we're doing at the moment. You can of course call us on 01438 225530 or the on-call phone, which is 074 633 67040, and one of our team will be more than happy to assist with any of your requirements. We look forward to looking after all of your home and vehicle security needs here at Need for Speed Locksmiths.